Hi everyone, this is Denise Peters and I'm coming into my studio setup. I've got everything pretty much lined up and on display for my coming open studio. I hope you can make it this Saturday, April 18th from 10 o'clock until 4. There will be 11 of us artists in total between Carroll and Crawford counties. Carroll and Denice are only half an hour apart, so you have all day to take your time and look at all the artwork. As you can see, I have a lot of paintings on display. I've got 90 to 100 paintings, and some of them are new. I have a lot of them new that weren't available last year, and I finished one just before this video, and it's still on my easel unframed. I'm going to keep it that way, and then when they come see it on Saturday, you can have the option to purchase it framed or unframed. I have some paintings on a discount simply because they've been around a while and I need to move things to make new. Gotta make room. This is one of my newer ones. So is this one. If you're looking for a little beauty and peace, serenity, something simple for those hectic days, you'll have that in your home. If you come and take a look and choose what works for you and what you like. This is one of my new ones. And so is this. And so is this one. This one's going to Charlotte pretty soon. It's in an international show. This is a brand new one that's still on my easel. And this is one of my newest ones. A couple of paintings here would be a great addition for our country's 250th. And this is a newer one. You can see I have a lot of paintings for sale. And I also have some 250th merchandise. I have a stainless steel water bottle with one of my paintings printed on it. So there's no plastics, everything's stainless steel. And this is a coffee mug with that same painting on it. That was printed here, right here in America. So they both are on sale. I have a couple of banners to hang up on the day of the show. And as you can see, like I said, I have a lot of paintings for you to look at. So don't miss it. Hope to see you Saturday. Bye.